Ciao pandas! Welcome to another #AskThePanda video. In this case, the question comes from Julian Wingber in Manhattan, New York, and he says, "Hi pandas, my question is the H in Spanish completely silent? And what's the purpose?" Well, Julian, yes, the H is completely silent in Spanish. There are just two exceptions to that rule. First, for words that we took from other language. For example, we took hobby from English. We've got afición, which is the Latin word, but we also use hobby. So we can say, mi hobby es aprender idiomas. Mi afición es aprender idiomas. In that case, we pronounce the H because it's not a Latin word. It's a word that we took from another language. The second exception to the rule is when you have a CH, okay, like chorizo. In that case, you cannot mute the H because it would be chorizo, and that would be weird. So when you are studying Spanish, you only have to worry for the CH, because the English words, you already know them, you know how they are pronounced. And the CH is just that tss, like when you say shut up to someone, like tss, shut up, tss, chorizo, tss, okay? The purpose, well, the H doesn't have a purpose, to be honest. Why? Because the H is not a Latin letter, it's a Greek letter. The ancient Romans took the H from the Greeks. So even the ancient Latins, they didn't pronounce the H's. For example, they said hominem, hombre, man. They didn't pronounce the H. That's why Romance languages don't pronounce the H. French, they don't pronounce the H. Portuguese, Italian, Spanish. Because all these languages come from Latin and Latins did not pronounce the H. So don't worry or forget the H's, just worry when you have the CH and pronounce the tss, chorizo, and that's it. Forget about the purpose, forget about everything, just ignore there's an H there, okay? If you have any question with your Spanish, go to PolyglotPanda.com/AskThePanda and submit your question. Until then, ciao pandas!